We're just sailing past Ancona this morning, working our way up the coast to Fano, where we're going to go stay. And it's really beautiful. What I've noticed, Italy have really love their beach arts. Like, they really love them. There's so many along here. There's so many everywhere you go. All different colours, pretty ones, ugly ones, concrete ones. They're everywhere. And here is particularly lovely. It's got this massive glass, something like glass lifty thing here. And then this big sweeping staircase that comes down here on both sides. Really, really beautiful. I'll turn the camera around and show you that. I'm Nikki, and this is my gorgeous family. Chris, Bo, Bear, and our salty puppy, Buddy. We've been sailing around the world for 3 years now on Pickle, a catamaran we bought, renovated and learned to sail on after I had a life-changing epiphany when I was in ICU with meningitis. Subscribe, welcome aboard and enjoy the ride. Hugging the old pooch. So we sailed to Fano today. That was fun.
Yeah. Not that bad.
Motor sail most of it. Shush! But now we've got here and the weather's pretty damn awful.
It's for worse, isn't it?
Well, it's not awful. Okay, awful is a bit much. It's very windy this morning and there's nowhere.
Buddy!
Buddy, please!
Shush.
What are you barking at?
Come here.
And there's nowhere to anchor. So we've come on the other side of the marina. There's like one on Navly showing that side of the marina, but we've come on this side. It doesn't show an anchorage here, but there's no reason why you can't anchor here. It's outside all the breakwaters and everything, and it's a sandy bottom, but it isn't marked as an anchorage. So whether Guardia are going to come and move us on, I don't know. We sort of think they probably will, but at the moment there's such big wind and swell, I can't see that they could come and move us when we're just sheltering from this bad weather. We're literally just hiding out here until it's okay. So the dog's being an arse.
Buddy.
Dogs are arses sometimes if you haven't got one. Remember that when you purchase one? So yeah, maybe we need to go into Fano Marina a day early. Maybe we need to go in tomorrow rather than Thursday. We will see. Oh, so tired. So tired. Such a long, hot, just tiring day today.
Yeah.
Really tired. I'm going to bed and I can't go to bed because I can't go to bed before, I don't know, at least 10 or later because of the dog. Otherwise the dog gets up in the middle of the night for a wee. Anyway. Yes, that's what we are. We're just hanging outside here hoping the Guardian won't come, but they might.
I hope this swells and double like it says it's gonna.
I'll show you where we are. I'll show you around us. I'll show you where the swell's going to push us. At the moment it looks like it's going to push us on the beach rather than the rocks, which is good. But it might change. We'll see. I'll show you. I'll give you a 360. It's Buddy getting in my 360. There's a walls there along Italy. I don't know if anybody knows. Italy had these big long walls which break all the waves from going in and wrecking all their beaches. So they got them all the way along. So there's that wall which we was going to push onto if we dragged, but we're now pushing onto the beach, which is over there, guys. This is all beach, even more beach, which would be so bad, although I wouldn't want to drag anyway. But and then this is all the breakwater walls for all the way around the marina. Look at that lovely sunset, my lovely friends. And I got here, you might be able to hear a thing I'm saying, so I'm telling you now, this is the marina you're going to be looking at, and then you're looking out to sea. Here we go. Cool sunset, huh? Come on then, barky pants. $360, baby. You having a wee wee? Bucket, please. Clouds are looking a bit dark and dramatic over there. Rain and thunderstorms are predicted. and that is the marina that we're going to go into maybe tomorrow or the day after. You got to go out there, round there, back down a breakwater, around the other side, then back in. There we go. Feeling like you've really effed up. Yeah. That's one of them. Is it? Yeah. I don't know whether the sand on the east coast of Italy has been a big mistake altogether, really. I know no one sailed down it, but I didn't really know why. But it's just, there's no protected anchorages. There's this constant huge swells which you can't find protection for. You can't, there's nowhere to go. You know what I mean? Waters aren't very good in lots of places. It's a bit of a nightmare.
Very shallow anchorages.
Buddy! Be quiet! Stop it! Stop it! Why? Anyway, but the wind and the swell are opposing. So the swell's coming this way, the wind's coming this way, which means you've got a side on swell, and now they've started breaking on our side and they're getting rather large. So it's just not safe anymore. I don't think it's been safe for a while. Then we need to move, so there's nowhere to go. There's nowhere for hundreds of miles to go to get any sort of coverage from this. So what are you meant to do? I'm going to try and get into this marina here. We're booked there for one night for Thursday anyway, but I think we're going to go in now. We're just trying to read, but I don't think that's safe, but we're going to go in. The only problem with that is this big swell has a narrow entrance, 175 foot it looks like on the navigator, narrow entrance, and the entrance runs like that, literally along these waves. These waves, this swell will be running up that channel, won't they? So like, what is that, 50 metres, say? I don't know, we'll see what that's like, you know. Let's just get out of this anchorage safely and tell them sharp.
They dropped it again.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
He purposely did that.
Just get out.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, cool, when we're going.
Really tired, like I've not slept all night. Really tired.
Oh god.
I'd pay for an anchor, I'd pay for the marina just so I could sleep. I mean, look at the swell, look at the swell.
So,
Don't get out of the pocket.
I won't, I'll be careful. Yeah, get the ring. The waves are literally, look at that. Look at this! You can flip into that one. Jesus Christ! Oh my god, why are they so big? Come on, people. You're always making me cringe, I don't like it. A little bit more. A little bit more of that. Look at that! Come on, turn. Crikey. Oh my god, look. Let me turn this.
So when we turn around there,
I don't find swans. There you go. We did it! Yeah! That was quite scary. I got some breaking waves next to us. Crazy! Crazy! There we go. Oh my god, it's so pretty now. It's like Cornwall or something. There it is. Go on then! Go on then! Yeah? Hurdling, yeah. That's not hungry.
No, he did a hurdle. He did a hurdle. He did a hurdle.
Hurdling.
Woo! Nearly. It's more like a high jump. Come on then, Bear. Buddy.
Let's watch the doggy. Come here then. Go on, doggy. Here. Doggy. Buddy.
We're on that time. There. I'll remember that. Gladiator.
Calculator. Kids would love that.
Probably someone who's not got very good eyesight, maybe.
Yeah.
Not very big fingers.
So we took the opportunity while I was in Fano to hire a car to do some shopping, do our laundry, get the elusive gas for cooking that we can never find, and of course we find the time to have a sneaky little beer before we sail on to Venice. Look at that. That's impressive. Oh, my phone doesn't really pick up the pinks. It's struggling a bit. Wow, look at it, guys. It's amazing. Amazing.
Very different from yesterday.
What are you doing up there, Bear? Yeah, it's different, isn't it? It's them black skies we had yesterday. Ah.
Yeah, totally. We had so much rain yesterday, honestly God, it was belting down. They weren't really any leaks either, but when I went to have a look at tender today, there were about 50 or 60 litres of water in tender.
That's a lot of water.
That's a lot of rainfall in that area. I mean, it did spray it down with hose.
It was really heavy actually though. It's good to know that though, that it catches water so well, so if ever we're, short water and it rains, catch a bit in a tender. I know how heavy it was because I walked the dog as it was getting really heavy and we got absolutely soaked to the skin. One of those experiences you got to just love, embrace it. I'm British, man. Got to love the rain. Got to have a bit of rain and walk in it. When you walk in the rain, it's so, I don't know, it cleanses the soul, washes away all the evils of the world. And you just experience that lovely, fresh, cold, rainy feeling. And there's nobody else there because nobody else likes walking in the rain. So it's perfect. It's great. Anyway, today we've been super busy. We went and hired a car.
What do you know?
Then we went to the passport office to check out. Then we went to find
Wild Goose Chase to get some gas.
Really
and we
wild.
got some.
Yeah.
Which fits in his locker spot on. It's only a little one, look.
Doesn't fit, does it?
Another season of sailing with a gas bottle in cockpit.
We went everywhere. We went everywhere.
We had to get a fitting.
Yeah, and buy fitting. That
Another
was really
fitting.
funny.
We've got one for every country in the world nearly now.
Yeah.
And then we went shopping.
Yeah.
I got way too much shopping, like crazy amount of shopping. We only needed a
stop buying
basket full.
food.
We had a trolley, which was totally overflowing. We still didn't get enough beer though.
I keep buying nice things like cake and bread. Do you know what? Yeah, Italian food's expensive. I don't know why. Because it's not like they're really rich really. £5.80 for a loaf of bread.
Yeah, fresh bread, innit? For the fresh bread.
For £5.80?
Yeah, one of them were £8 something, but I didn't think on left. €8.60, but they were on left.
I'm sorry, guys. I ain't paying £8 for a loaf of bread. No, that is not happening. Sorry, £8. I could feed a family of 4 at £8. Careful, you two. Anyway, this is our last night in Fano.
Hopefully.
Car's gone back.
If that swell goes.
And this big nasty storm seems to have passed. So tomorrow, as long as it's okay, we will be setting off for a night and day sail to Venice.
Yeah.
Oh, I've never been to Venice before.
which is very exciting. Again, they're very expensive marinas in Venice, so we're going to be doing a bit of hanging around, loads and loads of cruising around Venice, because then we can see all the sights from our own boat, and kids get to experience it, which is really good. So we're going to do lots of that, because you can sail around the canals all the way round the little islands. And there's a few anchorages to check out. There is lots of regulations about not anchoring in the lagoons. So I don't know.
So Guardia on it in Italy, out there.
Yeah. So so there's a few, and then we'll probably try and find a marina maybe for one night, so that we can actually get off the boat and go and explore.
St. Mark's Square and then bits out there. The central Venice, the nice bit.
The Venice Island, we'd probably, if we can afford, get a marina for the night. And then we'll start working around along the coast, you see. We're right around the corner to Croatia.
Slovenia.
But Slovenia, we're going to stop on the way. There's some really nice places. I can't think of the name because I'm useless, but there's some nice places, and we will show you, because we share it all. Remember, guys, if you like what we're doing and you want to become part of the family, you want us to keep making these episodes, and you'd like to support us, then you can become a patron, become part of our Pickle Patron family. Follow the link down below in the description. We are on Facebook.
Thumbs down.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, if you're feeling cheeky. Yeah. And if you want to be one of our subscribers on here, just press the bell button, press subscribe, and you'll get notified when our next episode's out. See you next week, guys, when we're sailing to Venice.
Adios.
Adios.
Amigos.